Hello, everybody. Today, I want us to talk about something called repetition compulsion. Okay, so this is just a fancy psychological term, just for repeating the same shit. It starts kwata kwenye jina repetition compulsion, where you keep on repeating the same shit over and over, and this could be ruining your relationships and your friendships and everything actually in your life. Okay, so this thing, starts from your childhood. And what doesn't though? What doesn't? Have you ever wondered where you come unakuja una choose someone that or something that you feel this is different. Let us go with someone you think this is, if you used to be into like a blonde chicks, now you or tall dark chocolate men with like different careers, and then you come and choose someone totally different, short, brown, and with stuff, but you still feel the same way. Repetition compulsion starts from childhood. you know uh I've heard that the way you get parented is the same way you get partnered. Because parent and partner actually one letter off. So the same venye utalelewa wewe, the same shit you see growing up, the same way you're raised growing up is the same way you're gonna be partnered. Trust me. I have seen this. I have experienced this. Like where like it's in kwenye zile small circumstances unapataga mtu anasema eti mamangu alikuwa anapigwa, kwa hiyo mimi sipendi mwanaume ambaye anafanya, like something, but the way you got partnered, you got parented uko chini, something you saw there as you got parented is the way you want to be partnered as a big person. Either you will hate everything that happens, or like that girl, I want a partner like my father, okay, or like my mother. So you are told you either marry your mother or marry your father. Angalia vizuri kwa nyumba yako, ni babako yule umemuoa ama ni mamako yule umemuoa, but not like literally, metaphorically. The same way you get parented, the same way you get partnered. Kwa hivyo we shall expand on this repetition compulsion thing. Okay, so this is a therapist and therapy. Mwah.